Hey everybody, welcome to construction day 5, or actually day 4. And today we're going to finish off the bottom of the last section of the flooring and then start filling the cavities with the foam and then capping it off with the plywood, getting things ready for the walls coming up. Looking super forward to that. Thanks for coming along for the ride and for all the likes, comments, and subscriptions. Is really fun and encourages me to keep going. And all the work that I'm doing into these videos is just really for good memories and to help anybody else out there. So if you know anybody that's building a tiny house, just feel free to share this link with them and connect me with them too, because we're all in this together and it's better when we're trying things and learning from each other. So let's see what we can do. So the top that we put on didn't do exactly what we wanted it to. A little bit of water came in, so we're probably going to let that dry out. We don't want to seal this cavity up with the water or moisture inside, because today is sealing day for that floor. Hopefully this nice spring sun is going to do us some favor. This end is going to be facing the water, and the wind coming in the water more than not will be pushing water towards it. So we wanted to make sure to lay them down in the proper fashion so that this sheet is on top of this one and on top of this one. If it was the opposite, then the water would seek to go inside and underneath these sheets. So it's all about laying it the same way logically that you would lay anything else to make sure that the water is led the proper way. All right, so I guess that we're good. We got the right bolt in now, and now it's time to try these bad boys on. So as we're putting these bolts down, I'm just putting one nut for now, but as we work inside of the trailer and we walk back and forth, we'll come back and do a second pass and probably add a second nut to it just to lock that up. It's a pretty good ab workout down here, I'd say. Kind of glad that I've been eating a lot of vegetables these days, because I wouldn't be going underneath this very well. And marami kim check pang isip. Alright, so here we are putting the first layer of foam down, and it's just about trying to waste as little as material as possible and making sure to cover as much as we can. Alright, so the next step now is we're going to seal this first layer of the insulation, and this, I believe what's going to happen, I think that we're going to be filling all these gaps with this foam, but this foam is going to expand too much and we'll be spending a lot of time cutting the foam down so that it's flush for the next layer of foam, so that may take the rest of the time that we have here on this construction day. So let's just see how far we get. All right, everybody, I think that's gonna be the end of this construction day. So what we ended up doing is putting all of the bolts and tightening them underneath the trailer. So officially there's all kinds of bolts in there. And we also put the foam in there, spray insulation in, and then we'll let that dry. So I think all in all, a pretty good day. Always awesome to be working with my dad out here. So again, thank you. I'll go back and help finish off with my dad. And until next time, God bless.